Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to propagate coin plant, also known as Chinese money plant, by division method. Chinese money plant is a very popular indoor house plant with attractive round green leaves. It is easy to grow and produces small baby plants around the mother plant. These baby plants can be separated and grown into new plants. First of all, take out Chinese money plant from the pot. Gently separate the baby plant and grow it individual pot. Now I am making potting mix for Chinese money plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% normal garden soil, 20% fine sand and 20% vermicompost. Mix it well. Take two well-drained pots and cover the drainage holes with some coconut husk. Fill it with potting mix. Plant separated baby plants into the potting mix. It is a very easy process. You can do it any time of the year, but best season is spring. Finally, sprinkle a little bit of water and keep it in partial sunlight place. For proper care, place the Chinese money plant in bright indirect sunlight. Avoid strong direct sunlight as it can damage the leaves. Water the plant when top of the soil feels slightly dry. Do not overwater as excessive water may cause root rot. You can add organic fertilizer once in a month during the growing season. I hope this video will help you to grow Chinese money plant. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Green Bengal. Thank you for watching this video.